So we got this situation to handle. If p of x is a polynomial of degree 4 such that p of minus 1 equals p of 1 equals 5, p of 2, p of 0, p of minus 2 equals 2. So they are symmetric, okay? The remainders are not in AP. So we have to solve this thing in different way. So suppose that to solve this question, we need to find out first who is p of x. So let's try to crack. So according to them, p of x is a 4-degree polynomial. So let's write down the standard form. So it is ax power 4 plus bx power 3 plus cx square plus dx plus e. Now we have to find this arbitrary constant a, b, c, d and e. Like I will use this p of 0 first, because in that case I have to replace x with 0 and we will get remainder as 2. So just apply the replacement x with 0. So we will get p of 0 equals 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus e, and you know that p of 0 is 2. So can we say that e is equal to 2? है ना? So we got one of the arbitrary constant. Now we have to find a, b, c and d. Okay, so look at this, how we will respond. Now I'll go with p of 1. So we will get p of 1 is equal to a plus b plus c plus d plus e, है ना? But you also know that e is equal to 2, so I'll replace e with 2. Now who is p of 1? P of 1 is 5. So can I say that a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 3? है ना? So we got one of the equation. Now we will replace x with minus 1. So we will be writing p of minus 1 is equal to, whenever power is odd we will have minus. So a minus b plus c minus d plus e. You know that the value of e is 2. Now p of minus 1, who is p of minus 1? P of minus 1 is 5. So can I say that we got a minus b plus c minus d is equal to 3. So we got another equation. Okay. To simplify both the equations, what I wish to do is, look at here. I will add both the equations. So we will have this b and b will get neutralized and d will get neutralized. So we will have 2 times a plus 2 times b is equal to 2 times 3. So can I say that a plus c is equal to 3? Means 2a plus 2c equals to 6. So divide both sides by 2. So you will have a plus c is equal to 3. So we got this equation. Now I will subtract both of them. Means this purple bubble minus gray bubble. Okay. So look at this, what will happen. So a minus a will become 0. B minus minus b will become 2b. C minus c will become 0. D minus minus d will become 2d is equal to 0. So can I say that b plus d equals to 0? B plus d equals to 0. So we got this situation. Okay. So we have extracted so many things with these 3 equations. Now move on to the next part. What is left to use? Yes, p of 2 and p of minus 2 is left. So suppose that we are interested in finding P of 2. Okay, so look at this. So can I write P of 2 as 2 to the power 4? 2 to the power 4 is what? 16. So we will have 16a plus 8b 8b plus 4c plus 2d, है ना, and then plus 2. You know that P of 2 is also 2, so this thing gone. So we are left with 16a plus, and we can divide by 2 as well. So we will be left with 8a plus 4b plus 2c and plus d is equal to 0. So we got this equation. Okay. Now the point is, let's move on to the next part, replacing p with x with minus 2. So minus 2. So wherever power is odd, we will have minus. So we will have 16a minus 8b plus 4c minus 2d plus 2 again. And then you know that p of minus 2 is 2. Done. So can we divide again by 2? So we will have 8a minus 4b plus 4c minus, wait, we have to divide by 2 as well. So we will have d over here. Okay. Now what I will do, I will add this blue with this yellow. So we will have 16a and then 4b gone plus 4c is equal to 0. So 4 4s are 16. So can I say that 4a plus c is equal to 0? So we have got this relationship. Now if you will subtract, है ना, if you will subtract yellow with blue, you will get 8b plus 2d. 8b plus 2d. So it is 4b plus d. 4b plus d is equal to 0. है ना? So we got this situation. Now can we simplify this with this to get b and d? So if you will replace d with minus b, okay, d with minus b, so you will be getting 3b equals to 0. So you got b as 0. So if b is 0, d is also 0. है ना? Now you have to solve this with this. Correct? So in place of c, can you write minus 4a? So a minus 4a equals to 3. So minus 3a equals to 3. So a equals to minus 1. So a equals to minus 1. So you got your a, you got your b, you got your d. Now you have to find out c. So a is minus 1. So don't you think that if you place a as minus 1, you will get value of c as 4? So you got value of c as 4. Now can I write down p of x as ax power 4? So a was minus 1. So minus x power 4. Okay. So we got this situation. Now who is b? B is 0. So this thing gone. Who is c? C is 4. So plus 4x square. Who is d? D is 0. and then plus of E. Who is E? E is 2. So we got 2. So our P of x, the polynomial P of x is this. Now we have to calculate what? The maximum value of P of x. Okay. You know that it's a like biquadratic x power 4 x power 2. So we can create a perfect square. We will apply completing the square method. So first we will take minus common. So we will have x square cos square, look at this, a square, and then this thing will become minus 2 x square. Now 2a is this. Now we need to make 4, so we have to add 2. So a square minus 2ab is given. So plus b square minus b square, done, and then plus of 2. Okay. Now can I write this thing as, we will be writing x square minus 2 whole square. So minus x square minus 2 whole square, and then this thing will become plus 2 plus 4, because if you'll send this minus it will become plus 4. So plus 4 plus 2, so it will become plus of 6. So P of x is this. Now this is your function P of x. You know that these guys are interested in finding the maximum value. So you know that this square is positive number always, है ना? So if you will introduce, like you know that it is greater than equal to 0. So if you'll use any number greater than 0, your value will degrade because it's a minus x square, है ना? So your maximum value will become 6 if the square component is 0. So the maximum value of P of x is 6. I hope the idea is clear, and I wish you guys can handle similar situations. The only thing required is a lot of patience. And you can develop this thing if you will handle these kind of situation multiple times and make a habit of solving these kind of situations at least 4, 5, 10 questions on daily basis. Okay, if you are aiming for great rank in advance.